Trying to find grants, scholarships, and financial aid to help with the skyrocketing cost of college? Stop wasting time filling out scholarship applications. One of the best-kept secrets of the financial aid process is that the majority of aid, including grants and scholarships, is need-based. Which means to get more grants and scholarships, you need to shift your focus to lowering your expected family contribution. And to do that, there's only one name you need to remember: HEFAR. The HEFAR Group is a team of college funding experts committed to making a college education affordable and accessible to everyone. We are the leading experts on the college funding and financial aid process, and we can help you lower your EFC and get more free money for college. First, let's understand the financial aid process. When you complete the FAFSA, the government determines your EFC, which is the minimum amount you are expected to pay for college. They tell you how much you can afford to pay, and whatever you think you can afford, the government thinks you can afford more. So if your EFC is high, you pay more. If your EFC is low, you pay less. The trained and certified college funding experts at the HEFAR Group understand the financial aid process and can show you how to position your finances to lower your EFC and get more free money for college. Our College Planning 101 course will teach you how to cut through the red tape with the FAFSA. It will show you how you can change your financial situation, reduce your EFC, and find grants, scholarships, and financial aid that you may have previously been ineligible to receive. If you want to qualify for more grants and scholarships, stop wasting time filling out scholarship applications and start learning how to lower your EFC. Welcome to a smarter way to pay for college. Welcome to the HEFAR Group. Visit us at hefar.org to learn more and to download our College Planning 101 course.